Good evening, friends. Good evening, my students. Good evening, traders, wherever you are watching my analysis from. Today is 2nd December 2020. As a matter of fact, in next 8 minutes, it will be 3rd December. Now is 11:52 p.m. West African time. Okay, so it's been a long time I've not made any analysis because I went to my village for some marriage celebration of my younger brother, and I also have challenges with my power supply. I was supposed to make some analysis on Monday night, but I could not till now. Okay, let's get to business. Now there's something I want to tell you this time around. Whenever the price action is moving in a confused manner, you go back to bigger time frame, because in 1 hour, in 2 hours, 3 hours, you will not see anything reasonable on the price action. This very move is abnormal. In 1 hour, even 4 hours, this very move, whenever we have this type of move, the next will be up, but you can see it keeps going down. So that's why I say you go back to the bigger time frame. Okay, now what do we expect? This is dollar index. What we expect is a further drop. Remember, this line have been here for months. I said that I will not talk about selling until this line is broken. Now the markets have broke and closed below this line. So what am I going to do? I will look for sell setup. Then I will sell towards this very price at 89.7 or even 89.00. So, but at least the market will touch here before it keeps going up. After it has touched there, it may turn from here or drop a further. Maybe it's 89, 88 before it goes up. This is for daily. Then on 4 hours, there are no difference between 4 hours and daily. So you can see, as I said, this very move is abnormal, but anything can happen in the market. Whenever we have this kind of operation, I expected a rally before going down, but it didn't happen like that. So as I always said, the market will not do what you want it to do or what you expect. It always behaves the way it likes, or the way things happen in the world. So DXY, we're looking for sell setup. If I get a pullback from here, I will sell. Then EURUSD, remember this line. If you go to my analysis for 2 months now, thereabout, I'll be pointing out that I will not buy EURUSD until it closes above this line. Now it has closed above this line. Unfortunately, I didn't watch this very chart when this happened. I was supposed to have entered this market from here, but nothing bad. I will still enter if I have a decent retracement. I will sell. Sorry, I will. If I get a pullback operation, I will buy towards maybe 1225, 1226 area before the rally will end. Okay, that's for daily. Then 4 hours. On 4 hours, just I'm looking for buy setup. If I didn't watch the chart for 2 days. If not, when here breaks, I would have entered on this pullback. It would be a very nice trade, but I didn't enter because I didn't watch the chart. Okay, if anybody that keeps record of my analysis, the person must have entered the market when this happened. Because I said if we get a break of this very level and a correction, then we enter buy. Okay, so pounds USD. I don't even know what I will say about this very pair. I don't know. This very move, I've been expecting a drop for 2 weeks now, but it fails to drop. Nevertheless, I'm not, as I said about EURUSD, I will not buy unless I see a close above this 1.35. If I don't see a close above 1.35, I will continue looking for sell. And the sell I'm looking for a break of this trend line. That is the break and the retest. I will sell. Okay. On 4 hours, there's no difference. But today, when this happened, I thought it will break. You see, it go back right from there. So maybe it may retest here again and come back, or it may make a corrective move and break. Let's keep watching. Okay. Pounds yen and pounds dollar is somehow similar. I don't know. Pounds is not moving, but euro is moving, because euro yen is going up. But nothing wrong. As it stands now, we might have a break of this very level might occur. So we might have 144, 145, 146. But I'm not going to buy that now until I see something. I see a significant move, then correction, then I will buy. And if I buy, my target will be 144, 145. I mean, this very channel will be my target. Okay, that's for daily chart. On 4 hours, I have 2 scenarios. If this channel is broken, I will sell, but the sell will not be much. Before, I was saying that the sell will go low, but I have seen that the sell might not go much if it sell at all. But if it didn't sell, a close above this area, I mean, when I mean a close, the type of close we see on EURUSD, not just any close, because markets can just do something like this and come back. Just yeah, I mean, if it is this type of candle, if this type of candle pierces this very line, then we look for correction and buy. Okay, that's for euro, pounds, yen. Euro, yen. Sorry. Okay, euro, yen. Daily candle, daily on euro, yen. Okay, you see, this is a very nice. Now, this will be an example. Whenever I say a close above some certain level, something like this can happen. The market will come back. You don't just buy when there is I mean, when the close is not significant, it makes no meaning. If the price moves like this and closes above something, it will come back. But if you see this type of sharp move, see, anybody in the market that saw this candle supposed to enter, because in 4 hours there must be a flag in 4 hours or 1 hour. So, but I wasn't in the market when this happened. But nevertheless, if we might get a pullback from here, then we can join the buyers. You see, this, I don't want to remove this line. This line is the line I think either on monthly chart or weekly, I draw this line. This line. So I don't want to remove it. The market might hit here and correct. Then we shall buy towards wave 3. this is wave 1, 2, 3, then 4 and 5. So you remember this very line. This line have been here for months now. So if you go to previous analysis, you see this line. And I said, if I don't have a close above this line, I will not buy. I kept saying this because I know what's going to happen. I was suspecting that the market can come down and complete this 50% fibro, you know, but it didn't happen. That's why I say that I will not buy until it closes above here. So for now, if I get a correction, I will buy. Okay, that's for daily. 4 hours. On 4 hours, 4 hours, I'm expecting a correction. This is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 that is wave 3 of 5. So I'm expecting a pullback, 3 waves pullback. If I get it, I will buy. And if I buy, it will be a nice buy because it's gonna be a nice one. So don't just jump in and buy from here. Be patient and get a correction before thinking about buying. Okay. Let's say EURJPY on Zoom. I just zoomed out. You can see this very line have been there on daily. It tested it and come back. Then on the third one it breaks it. So I wish we get a pullback. I mean a correction. Then we join the buyers. For those who are not to join the buyers, then gold. Yeah. There's something interesting on gold. As long as I'm concerned, gold have completed the correction. You see, this very blue box have been there for many months now, and you remember that I said before that gold will likely go below 1800 before it completes its correction, and it came to 1770 or thereabouts. Okay, and this is WXYXZ. Some may count it as WXY, but if you count this as WXY, then it means that it is a bigger WXY, and in that case, it means that we expect gold to come around this area. If not, my count remain WXYXZ. But if I see something, if I see a sign of reversal, the count might change. But for now, this very candle and this one is a pure impulsive candle. So from now on, I'm looking for buy. I'm not yet. I don't have any open position on buy, but I will look for buy because this candle is very strong. It's very strong move. It's a very strong move. Okay. Then on 4 hours, just as I said, that this is the oh my God. Okay, the picture is not out, but we have seen the picture before. WXYXZ. So this very candle, this very move is strong. So any pullback or correction, I will join the buyers. But for now, I have not bought gold. Then many people are asking me to say something about Bitcoin. Now listen attentively on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we have had 5 waves impulse. After the, I don't know what happened here. Okay, I think it's a COVID sellout. I don't know, maybe. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C. So this very move is wave 1, and this is wave 2. Then wave 3 of 3. We are going to wave 3 of 3. Here we be wave 3. But the count will come later. But right now, I'm expecting either I'm expecting either a running flat or expanding flat. I'm expecting either a running flat or expanding flat. In the case of running flat, the price may end somewhere here and go up. Then on expanding flat, it may come to this very level and go up. But in all earnestness, I am looking for a sell towards 1700, 16500 or thereabout. Before, if you get a correction, the next level is 23,700. Bitcoin will be going to 23,700 or thereabout. But don't enter buy now. Wait for a pullback before you buy. So for those who have said that Bitcoin will go to $1 million, I'm not in doubt. If you think it will go to $50,000, I believe you. But I'm saying what I see on my chart. It may go there, but not just now. Maybe in next 2 years, in next 5 years, I don't know. But but the way I study the market, I'm expecting a pullback or correction before I can talk about buying. Now, I want you to think back or watch the old videos. I said something about this very line. I don't want to remove this very line. When this very line, I was expecting a drop towards 9,000, 8,000. On my last video I made about Bitcoin, I said that I'm expecting a drop towards 9,000, 8,000 level, but it didn't happen. And when I say that it may not happen, I say that I'm not jumping to buy until it closes above this very line. Go and check it. So it has closed above it and it keeps going up. So even now, I don't have any buy because I don't want to buy Bitcoin on margin. I like to buy Bitcoin and keep. Without the sell, I sell just the way I buy stock. So for those who want to buy Bitcoin, wait for it to drop around 16,000, 16,500 or even below before we buy. And if you buy, sell it around here, because after it have touched here, it will come back either to this level again or to this level. So the forecasters, those who said that Bitcoin will go to $1 million, fine and good, but not in a straight move. So don't panic buy. Don't panic buy. What happened here will happen again, maybe in a greater magnitude. Don't panic buy. That is my candid advice. Okay, on 4 hours, this is wave 1, 2, 3. Then I'm looking for A, B, C. I've said before, this C might be a running flat which will end around here, or expanding flat which will end around here. In any case, when it begins to happen, we will know. I think I have come to an end of today's analysis. Yeah, I've come to the end of today's analysis. Remember, as I always say, don't overtrade, don't panic buy, don't panic sell. Use stop loss, apply money management, don't be greedy, don't be fearful. That's one of the reasons you need to learn. If you enroll in my class, I will teach you how to avoid the greed and how to avoid the fear, because you are afraid when you don't know where the market is going. You are greedy when you think that the market is going where you think it will go. So enroll in our class. I will drop description of my contact on the description of this video. Join our Telegram channel if you want to learn how to trade market with Elliott Waves. Then you request to join the students group with a little money. Now is December. By the end of the year, I will not accept the little money I accept now. Trade with care. God bless you all. Bye bye.